Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install TensorFlow in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google TensorFlow and we'll be having the install option over here. Click it and here we will be having some of the prerequisites to install TensorFlow. As it clearly says here, it is tested and supported on the following 64-bit systems. So we must have Python with version 3.9 and 3.12, Ubuntu 16.04 in case if we want that, and supports Windows 7 and later, and this is the Mac OS that it requires. So first thing is we must have obviously Python installed on our system, and this is the version that they have given. So just Google download Python and click it, and this is the latest version which is 3.13. If you just scroll down over here, we'll be having some specific or older versions of Python 3.9, 10 and 12. So it clearly says here it supports 3.9 to 3.12. So we can literally choose any version between that. That's up to you. I'll just go with this version and I'll click on this, and if you scroll down we'll be having this Windows installer for 64-bit. Select that and the setup file will be getting downloaded, just around 25 MB in size. So will get downloaded in a flash. I'll just open it and make sure that you are checking this add python.exe to path, really important thing, and select install now, and the installation will begin. Just be patient. So once the setup is complete, you can just click on close, and now if I open my command prompt and run the command python space -- version, I'm having the latest version of Python installed. So if you go to environment variables and just search for that and click on edit the system environment variables, go to environment variables, and here under user variables you'll be having the path. Click on it and select edit. So here as you can see, I was already having Python 3.13 and the 3.12 has been added extra. And in case if you're getting some other version that you had downloaded earlier, all you have to do is just place the latest version of Python on top. Just place the scripts folder path and this direct folder path on top. Okay, that will solve the issue. So now that we have downloaded Python, let's go to here, and it says for Windows we must have this C++ read distributable. So to check that, if you're already having, just open control panel, programs and features, and here as you can see I'm having that over here. In case if you don't have that, you can just click this and download it from there. Most of the cases you will be having it, so just don't worry about that. And next thing, we must have the latest pip, so we can just copy this and go to our command prompt and just run it. So if you get something like this, you can simply like copy this path because it says me to run this command. Just put it over here and run it. Yep, it has been successfully installed over here, the latest version of pip. And in case if you want to create an environment variable and use TensorFlow, you can do that. I'm just directly going to install in the global space, and here we are having current stable release for CPU and current stable release for GPU. If you want, you can just go with this. I'll just go with this one, the normal TensorFlow. So I'll just copy this and just run this command over here. So this will take some time, just be patient till then. As you can see, so many packages got downloaded. So now let's check if we have completely and successfully installed TensorFlow. So I'm just running this piece of Python code. What I'm doing here is import TensorFlow as TF. Imagine I'm creating this code in a Python file and running it. I'm doing the exact same step over here. Only difference being, rather than running in a python.py file, I'm running it in the command prompt. And here I'm just printing the TensorFlow version. So these are some of the additional information about TensorFlow. And below that, as you can see, I'm getting the 2.20.0. So that means TensorFlow has been successfully installed. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.